Hey everyone, we said we would do a quick video to kind of help us maybe get started on some of these questions just in regards to where to find some hints. So with fractions in part A, make sure you're checking out lesson number 1. The fraction calculator is here, as well as we've got some fraction notes and videos to kind of help us review there. Question C to J, it's about metric skills or imperial skills. A couple of quick videos and answer keys here as well in regards to kind of how to deal with those. Question number 2, lots of good information here in lesson 3, using some formulas. Not really a formula one maybe for finding perimeter, just walking around the outside. However, when you're doing circles, there's definitely a formula for that. We gave you the area here, and we've given you the area of a triangle formula. So just kind of follow the formulas on those two. Question 3, definitely if you look at this little video that was helping with our lesson 3 summary, the shape that's here is very similar to the shape that's in question number 8. It'll help you figure out some of your missing sides and then what to do with that information. Volume, that was lesson 4 was volume. There's just some notes here that relate to these shapes, or you could watch the video that's talking about rectangular prisms. So that's a hint for number 4. And then when we talk about distances ran, miles and kilometers, or heights, comparing inches to meters, that again goes back to lesson 2 about conversion between metric and imperial. So kind of maybe watch those, check the answer key, or watch the videos there. And then part B, again, we're back to fractions. So back to lesson 2, you got your fraction calculator, plus there's some notes on multiplying and dividing. This shape here about Kadam and the logo, if you were to just go back and check out this part C video, it basically walks you through this exact same kind of question. So that's a great connection. On question number 10, again, just converting some measurements, inches and inches, which is easy for perimeter. Here, though, you want to be able to change these inches into feet and then use those feet to calculate an area. So again, that's back to lesson 1. Perimeter again is just kind of walking around the outside. Area is figuring out the number of shapes in the middle. So on this one, again, just remember you got 2 shapes. You got a rectangle and you have an area. What you need to know is you need to know how long this dotted line is, and then you got to be able to figure out how long this gap from the dotted line to the corner is as well, based on the information you have in the diagram. The next one about Morgan and Autumn and Gracie. If you went to lesson 5 here, I didn't put a hint in this one, but this one relates back to lesson 5 in regards to how you figure out cubic feet. Just be careful, there's inches in here, so make sure those inches go to feet. Question 12, we did a question like this. It was more complicated. It was the pill video or the combination shape. So again, check out the answer key for that or watch the video. Again, it's about having half a circle and kind of a rectangle. But remember, perimeter is just the outside edge. Don't go across the middle in this one. Question 13, make sure you're doing volume and surface area. Again, it goes back to lesson 4. This is a rectangular prism. If you go to the next shape, it's a cylinder. So again, check your notes on cylinders or watch the cylinder video. Again, make sure that you've got some formula and some work. Make sure you're doing both volume and surface area. Question 13, you've got a pyramid. It's a square pyramid. So again, you want to make sure you watch the surface area. When you lay this thing flat, what do you get? When you find the volume, what do you have? Check your lesson 4 for the formula in case you need to find that. And then the last question on number 14, if you go to lesson 5 and building your skills, combination shapes, right back here on question 4, you basically see the bin question. All right, so there's some hints for you in regards to how to finish off your measurement summary. Let's get her done. Take care.